Hello everybody, thanks for dropping by. This is another unboxing video. Yep, I know that I just did an unboxing video yesterday, but I was hoping this will come together with the Christopher Watt Sealander, but somehow this arrived later. So yep, another video. So this is another Casio Edifice. So yeah, let's open up. I think from the thumbnail you will know what this is, but I still want to make it a little bit more suspenseful. Ta-da! This is the watch. Okay, so this is the Casio Edifice EFR-108D-1AVUDF. It has a module 5359 inside it. So this is what we call, some people might call this a real casio-oak for this case, because you don't have to mod it, right? If you're looking at the GA2100 or the GMA S2100, you know, it comes, or they come with resin shrouds and resin case, or maybe rather carbon core guard case. But this one, it comes on a stainless steel case on its own, and it does have the Genta inspired octagonal shape, but it's not like a direct copy of the Royal Oak here. So there is some similarities, and you know, but it's not a direct copy, which I think it's kind of good, you know, in a way. So before I purchased this, I already knew that, you know, the lug to lug distance might be a little too long for my skinny wrist, but I went ahead and purchased it anyway because I want to see how good it is, because a lot of YouTubers, or some YouTubers, are like really praising this this little piece here, saying that it's the true casio-oak. So yeah, let's take a quick look on the wrist, and yep, I'll be doing a full review after wearing this for a month or two as usual. So I will keep my thoughts for that video in that video later on. So maybe it's still okay. Let's move the camera slightly higher. All right, so let's put it properly. I still have not sized it, but somehow I think it might just still work. You know, even for my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist, it comes with an integrated kind of bracelet, so it's definitely Genta inspired, and yeah, it's nice. I think it looks good. I was having the feeling that, you know, I will have like massive overhangs on my small wrist, but looking at it now, I think it's still okay. So yeah, I really do not regret getting this now. So yep, it comes with the nasty hollow bracelet from Casio, but at least it's not a hair puller. Alright, so I guess it's quite nice. It's a quartz movement. It's a quartz watch, definitely. But the good thing is that it also comes with a matching black color date wheel. Well, this is something you know, the other manufacturers like, you know, Seiko's or Orient, you know, they should learn from Casio, because in some of their watches that is above this price point, they do not have a matching color date wheel, which is, to me, sometimes it's a real disappointment. And this watch also comes with the sapphire crystal. So yeah, I'm getting a lot for what I'm paying. Okay, so I might be paying almost near retail for this, because first of all, it's quite new, and second of all, I got this from a real authorized Casio dealer in Malaysia, so it's not like some gray market watch. I can use the warranty card, scan the QR code, and I believe I would have 18 months warranty for this one rather than a common 1-year warranty. So yep, I'm very excited with this watch, and I'm quite satisfied with this purchase. So if you're interested to know more about the watch, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out the video when it's out. And yep, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye, stay safe.